All right, guys, let's talk about Safemoon. And things are just a little bit crazy. Look at these numbers. Much money for a currency that is just a few weeks to a few months old. Look at this. If we scroll down to around 38, there we go. It's bigger than PancakeSwap itself. It's bigger than Ethereum Classic. It's bigger than crypto, or it's just under crypto.com's native coin. Isn't that just incredible? Safemoon is absolutely flying, and we're up another 50% just today. It's incredible, guys. Hopefully you've been strapped in for this ride and you've been making some serious gain. And obviously, if you don't know me already, my name is Connor and I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on holiday sitting in his room trying to find the next 100x coin. And we did it. We found the next 100x coin, and it was Safemoon. If we go back to all the way back to here, the next 100x coin. I posted this video on the 15th of March. We head over to the Safemoon chart and we go back all the way back here, 15th of March. So a month and 5 days ago, this coin was around 2 weeks old and we were sitting at 0.000000064. And now the price, 0.00067. If you had have bought here and you're still holding now, you would be, let's get the old calculator up. Take this right here. We'll copy that, we'll chuck it into the calculator over here, and then we'll divide that by, I got in at 0.5, but we'll do 5.6. So calculator, divide 0.123456756 equals 117x. If you had to put in $1,000 on that day, you would have $117,000 right now. So congratulations to everybody who's held. We've had some ups, we've had some downs, but this has been an incredible ride. If you've been following my videos, as I always say, I do still think it's super important to be taking profits along the way. Now, we can't always get the right shout, you know? There was no way of knowing back here that this was going to actually 120x. We got very lucky with this. And like I was saying, I always advocate for taking profits. I got burnt pretty badly in 2017 because I never took any profits. So from that, I learned not to get greedy, and I sell some of my profits when people are greedy. Now, what I mean by that is, if you've seen the channel, you know what I'm talking about here. I simply put in, let's say $1,000 here. When it doubles or triples or quadruples or whatever it was, I then take out that $1,000 and then I leave the rest to ride. If I want some more money along the way, then I'll sell a little bit more, let's say around here, and then I'll move the profits into something like Elongate or the other coins that we talk about on this channel. And then I just simply let those ride. Now, what I've done overall in the past, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, is what I did was I let the money ride on Safemoon. I then moved it over to Elongate. I let the money ride over there. I then moved that onto a few different coins, and then I actually took out my whole initial investment completely out of my hype coin portfolio. I put it into my long-term portfolio, and that way I now have absolutely no risk involved when it comes to hype coins. Now, we have been doing so well that my goal for the hype coin world is to make around $100,000 on it. I will then take out that full $100,000 and then I will start again from scratch. Hopefully that happens very soon, and that way I have no risk. Obviously, in my opinion, that is no risk to me, and this video is simply for entertainment. Don't listen to me, not a financial advisor. I'm literally just on holiday in my hotel room and I can't stop thinking about Safemoon, so I wanted to get a video out for you guys. But things have been going crazy. If we check the prices over here, it's at 0.59 over directly on PancakeSwap. We then have massive price increase over here on Bitmart, and then again on Whitebit, 620, Bitmart 760. There's a lot of money to be made here. It's absolutely incredible. Over on the Safemoon Twitter, we can see just the fact that Safemoon has been trending for the last 4 days. And on top of that, they are designing their own exchange system. So They're going to have their own exchange in place where you hopefully will be able to buy and sell Safemoon, and hopefully that will come out soon. Obviously, it's just a concept. We don't know how long this is going to take, but hopefully it comes out soon. And then there is the hope that they will be listed on larger exchanges like Binance very soon. But hey, we don't know if that's going to happen. You know, we can hope for the best. Price has done so well recently. It's absolutely incredible. We head over here to BSC scan and we can see there's 730,000 addresses. And last time I checked, there was around 200,000 addresses on the exchanges over here. We could be looking at around 1 million holders on Safemoon already, which is incredible. Now, obviously, the big dog in the house, it's Dogecoin, and that has been going crazy recently. The whole market of cryptocurrency hasn't been doing so well in the last, 3-4 days. My main portfolio is down, still around $30,000 to $40,000, but the hype coin's definitely making up for that. But the outlier in that is Dogecoin, which sits at a $52 billion market cap. Now, if you're a full believer in Safemoon and you believe that Safemoon could one day get to the same sort of level as Dogecoin, I just wanted to quickly explore what we could be looking at price-wise of Safemoon. So what we can do is we can just simply take this market cap, which is the important number. Remember, the coin price doesn't actually matter. It's the market cap, because each coin has a different total supply. So the way you actually get the individual coin price is you take the market cap, you divide it by the total supply, and that way you get the individual token price. So we can reverse engineer that and do the same thing with Safemoon. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the market cap of Dogecoin, we're going to stick it into our trusty rubbish calculator, boom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to divide that by the circulating supply of Safemoon, and then we should get a number that looks like this: 0.0008. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So what we're looking at is another maybe 10 to 12x. We've got a $4 billion market cap here. Dogecoin has a $52 billion market cap, giving us about a 12x. That's quick math, but 12x still to go from here. Like I said, if you had to put $1,000 into here, it would now be worth around $117,000. Then you do another 10x on top of that, you're looking at $1 million. So if we reached the market cap of Dogecoin, you could have turned $1,000 into $1 million. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. I have no idea if any of that will actually play out, but I just wanted to explore what it would be like if we reached the market cap of Dogecoin. That's so exciting for me. You know my game plan. I took my profits of Safemoon. Now I still have my long-term bag, and I'm simply letting that ride. Now, this space has been absolutely incredible. It has made so many people so much money. I really do appreciate all of the comments that you guys leave me down in the comment section. It's so nice to see when people have made some really decent gains from this. Continue to leave those. Continue to leave your next hype coins that you want me to look into. I do read literally all of your messages, so continue to leave those down there. And you can continue to hate on me for having paper hands, but I'm completely safe right now, and that's my game plan. And that's why I always say it's just so important to follow that game plan and just keep yourself safe, because we never know when we might see another crash like we did back in 2018 or the start of 2018. And it was really bad. I was in a few altcoins and I lost about 95% of my entire portfolio, and I had to wait 3 years to ever see that again. So if I had just taken a little bit of profit, I could have reinvested it down at the bottom and I would have been far, far better off. But hey, if you think you can hold out for the next 4 years, then maybe it's good for you to just hold. But you have to follow your own game plan, come up with your own style of trading, and whatever makes you a less emotional trader will make you a better trader in the long run. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. If you enjoyed the video, hey, smash the like button, because it's really going to help me out in the YouTube algorithm. And if you like my voice, I'll bring my face back soon, but I can't right now because I'm in that hotel room. But if you'd like to hear my voice for now and see videos about Safemoon and Elongate and all those other great hype coins that are making us some serious cash, then smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!